Thank you so much for tuning in. Mr. Mitsubishi here. In today's video, we will pick this Mitsubishi Outlander gas version. It's LE trim level, silver with this nice two-tone interior. That's the new kind of interior that they had for 2025s. I love this spec a lot. I love the silver color. This one, we didn't put any accessories on it for now, and it LE gets the special kind of wheels for only for LE trim level as well. So let's pull it out and let's have a closer look at it. And here it is, Mitsubishi Outlander 2025 LE trim level. So in Canada, there's ES, then there's SC, and then there's LE. And the difference between the SC and LE is going to be quite a bit in terms of what you get. So I think if you're thinking about maybe upgrading, maybe not, I think it's worth to upgrade to LE. You got special wheels. So the ES-SC will have one kind of wheel, then LE, it'll have its own wheel, and then SCL and GT Premiums, they will have their own wheels. But this one here, LE, is the 18-inch wheel, two-toned machine aluminum wheel like that. I think it looks really, really cool. And I really like how the silver color looks with this particular trim level. So I have nice two-tone elements on the wheel, which then the black part of the wheels matches really nicely together with the black A-pillar and around the wheel well. And then also, you know, we can see those black inserts in the interior, which we're gonna have a look at in a second. It's super nice interior. It all just works together really, really nicely. When you move to LE, then you also get 360 camera, your app as well on your phone. So it's power seat. It makes sense to upgrade to that. So okay, let's have a look at the front. We have this dynamic shield chrome on here, but it doesn't jump too much out because you have the silver color. So it all sort of blends in, but you know, just stands out just enough. And then the lower grill part, same thing. It used to be on Outlander silver, but now they made it this dark gray. And on silver one, when it was silver, it blended a little bit more. Now this one stands out a little bit more. Overall, I think this dark gray is just a better visual appearance when it comes to that. So let's check out the interior, because that's where the things get very, very interesting. So this one here is the new interior. So this is the suede interior, and you get the two-tone seats. So you have this black in the middle and light gray on the sides of it, and also the headrest here. Same theme is carried throughout the door panel. So we have light gray, black, and then on the panel right here, light gray. By the way, I love the stitching. Look how nicely done, and this one is soft to touch too. Just adds that premium quality feel for this vehicle. So, and then the entire horizontal design of the console just makes it look really, really nice. When we look at the second row, so second row, it's same thing, same pattern is on the second row. We have this nice black suede middle, and then finished off with these light gray sides, and same thing over there. Let's look how nicely the interior looks from this perspective. I always say in my videos, and it's true, one of my best spots to sit in an Outlander is here in the second row. Then I can see all the nice, panoramic sunroof, and how the, center console is designed, and the panel, all the horizontal design. We can see those piano gloss shining right there. That just all adds all to, the exclusivity of the vehicle. Okay. Let's get behind the wheel, because that's where everybody wants to be when it comes to this Outlander. Let's start it up. And now we have this, the larger secondary screen. So it used to be that depending on the trim level, base trim levels, it was one size, and as you move up, it got bigger. Now the entire thing is exactly the same for all trim levels. It just matter of what it's displaying. So this one here, we can see already comes with navigation. That's starting LE trim levels, built-in navigation, and we have the 360 camera. This is a big one, so we can see all the lines, or the bird's eye view, moving object detector. We saw somebody was walking there, and the system picked up. So it's very, very good for your safety and convenience to drive around. Steering wheel, nice thick steering wheel, pleasant to touch. I really like this perforated part, so good for the grip and whatnot. So we have heated steering wheel, of course, super important in this time of the year as we're moving into the fall winter season. Heated seats and heated steering wheel is gonna be a go-to options for many people. We can see on LE you will still have these analog dials. You have just a little bit of this LCD screen right here, and then as you would move up to a higher trim level, SCL or GT, then all this thing is going to be digital. But a lot of people don't care too much about the fact that you have analog dials here. I kind of like it too, because they're made nice and classy. We can see how they light up, and then you have the chrome line right here. It looks actually quite nice, and I don't mind it at all. Different redesign central console, we have it on here, so we have a larger room here for our belongings under the armrest. We have the charging pad right here that's designed a little bit different. Cup holders moved here, and then this one here is the dial for the super all-wheel control. Now in Canada, super all-wheel control is standard. All Outlanders come with super all-wheel control and with 7 seats, so no matter which trim level you get, base to all the way GT premiums, that's what you will get. That's what it comes with. So there we go. Just wanted to show you this super nice LE trim level gas Outlander 2025 redesigned, facelifted, and we have good selection here at Tri-City Mitsubishi. As you can tell, we're still under construction. We're going to be finished soon, but for now we're kind of running out of space, as you can see, and we need to clear these cars out, so we're giving away many deals. Just visit us here in Port Coquitlam and let's make things happen for you. Thank you so much for checking out this awesome car today. See you next time around.